Do you know the quality of your conference calls? The conferencing sector is more competitive than ever. Quality is increasingly the most important competitive edge. Your customers could be facing issues on their conference calls without you being aware. A customer may not be able to connect, have issues with entering their passcode, or audio quality issues while on the conference. This is where Spearline comes in. With Spearline's conference test, you can replicate your customer's experience from within your customer's country by dialing your conference number using local carrier routes. This is how it works. The Spearline in-country or in-state servers replicate your participants' call flows by placing 2 calls into your conference bridge. The first is to a dial-in number local to the physical location of the conference bridge, and the second is to the number being tested, which is the number provided to the attendees by the conference provider. Once connected, both calls pass access credentials to enter the same conference room. Audio is passed between the 2 calls. This audio is recorded, analysed, and industry audio quality scores are generated. Spearline will measure and report on the connection success or failure, the post-dial delay, the DTMF touch-tone functionality, the availability of conferencing services, and the audio quality on the call. With these measurements, you can identify and report issues before they significantly impact on your customers. And with this data, you will be able to make more informed call routing and carrier sourcing decisions. Contact Spearline today for a free trial or find out more on spearline.com.